Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to install Brackets code editor on Ubuntu 18.04 LTS. Okay, so Brackets is a code editor from Adobe Systems. Okay, so in order to install Brackets code editor, we have to follow these 4 steps. Okay, so first of all we have to open the terminal. So let me adjust the window size of this file. Okay guys, so here we have this file. So let's open the terminal. Okay, so just go to your desktop, right click on this and then click on this open terminal. Okay, here we have the terminal opened. So let me adjust the window size of this also. Okay, let me move this over here. Okay guys, so here we have the terminal and here we have the file. So step 1 is done. Step 2, we have to add PPA. Okay, so the command to add PPA over here. Okay, and guys, all these commands in video description, you can check it out. So let me copy this, or let me go to my terminal, let me paste that. Okay, and after that hit enter key on the keyboard. Okay, so just provide your administrative password. After that hit enter. You can see press enter to continue or Control C to cancel adding it. Okay, so just hit enter key on the keyboard. You can see it's adding PPA, so we need to wait for this. Okay, so it's now added, and after that guys, we have to update system repositories by using this command sudo apt-update. Okay, so just go to your terminal and type this command sudo apt-update, and after that hit enter key on the keyboard. So it's updating system repositories, so we need to wait for this. Okay, so it's now done, and after that, in order to install Brackets, we have to use this command sudo apt install brackets. Okay, so let me copy this command. Okay, let me go to my terminal. Okay, so let me clear this first. Okay, and let me paste that command sudo apt install brackets. Okay, and after that hit enter key on the keyboard. Do you want to continue? Yes, press Y key on the keyboard for yes and hit enter. You can see it's downloading, so we need to wait for this. Okay guys, it's now installed. Okay, so after that you can close this terminal. Okay, and let me minimize this file. Okay guys, so in order to open the Brackets code editor, you have to click on this show applications. Okay, and here we have the search box. Just do a search for Brackets. Okay, and here we have the Brackets code editor. Click on it to open it. It's now opening. Okay, so it's now opened. Let me maximize this. Okay guys, and here we have the index.html. You can see getting started with Brackets. Here we have some important information like what is Brackets, get started with your own files, okay, and other information. Okay guys, so guys, that's it. Let me maximize this file. Okay, so in this way you can easily install Brackets code editor on Ubuntu 18.04 LTS. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks, bye bye.